there's people from Venezuela, I think, from Venezuela, Costa Rica, Brazil, different places that have expressed interest in hosting a gathering. So I'm very curious, how do we scale? In my goal when I did the first one in 2022 is that I steward this for 10 years and then we do an exit to community or something like this. My big dream is to create an event that's still around 100 years from now. I don't want people to remember me. I want the event to continue. Yeah. And again, going to Japan, there are events which are with recorded history of 400, 600, 800 years, right? The main, and this is a deep religious event, but the main shrine of Shinto, every 20 years, they rebuild. So they have a 20-year cycle. And recently they did the 66th rebuilding. Wow. Do the math in your head, right? Yes. Every like this, right? Years, so yeah. I don't want to start a new religion, but also if you look around Portugal, right? There's many, the local festas, the village events, right? If you go to the north of Portugal, they have people dress as this green man, this wood forest spirits, and it's Festa of Saint such and such. And you're like, come on, this is bullshit. This is clearly a pre-Christian festival. Yeah. Right? That's still alive. Yeah. If it's pre-Christian, that means it's what? It's over 1,000 years old. So you're looking at a living tradition that's 2, 3, 4, maybe even more thousands of years old, right? Yeah. So actually a festival can live much longer than a country or even a religion. So yeah, I think there is a huge potential, and I would love to seed something that's still alive for 100 years, and it's happening all around the world.
Absolutely see it, 100%.
Do I know how to do it? I have absolutely no idea, but I have the question, and I believe by putting out the invitation, and it's an interesting enough case study example challenge that I think I can bring together the people who are smart enough to figure this out.
Nice. So that, and the question was, the last question I asked in this, we're in 2034 right now. What was that 2024 event that catalyzed for the next 10 years?